on the footsole areas of the new Kawasaki Z900RS comes a bistro racer variation wearing a two-piece fairing and drop-style handlebars. Mechanically, the 2018 Kawasaki Z900RS Cafe is the same as the standard Z900RS uncovered a month ago at the Tokyo Motor Show. The motor is the same 948cc inline-4 guaranteeing 110 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 72.6 pounds-to-foot 6,500 revolutions per minute, again combined with a help and shoe grasp, 6-speed transmission and bullhorn debilitate, which gets abrupt complete for the Cafe form. The Cafe rendition dons a green paintwork with a white stripe running along the two sides of the tank, proceeding to the fairing and hovering around the single fog light. The dark, drop-style handlebars loan for a more forceful stance, while the bistro-style Situate is 32.2 crawls starting from the earliest stage, 0.6 inches lower than on the Z900RS. The suspension framework is the same as on the Z900RS, with a 41mm transformed fork offering 10-way pressure and 12-way bounceback customizability and stepless preload flexibility and an even back connect unlike the Z900RS and Z900. Double 300mm plates are coordinated with monoblock 4-cylinder calipers in advance, while a solitary cylinder caliper stops the single 250mm back circle. The wheels, as on the Z900RS, are thrown with level spokes that give the figment of wire spokes. With the fairing and change in Situate outlines, the Z900RS Cafe asserts a weight of 476 pounds, or 4.4 pounds more than the Z900RS guaranteed weight.